Are you interested in working in Vietnam? But the legal procedure to enter Vietnam for employment is quite complicated, isn't it? And there are not a lot of sources that tell you what you need to legally enter Vietnam on there. Well, today is your lucky day. Hi, this is Siglaw Hub, and these are the necessary documents for foreign workers in Vietnam. Firstly, visa. A visa is a document that ensures the legal residence and employment of the foreigners when working in Vietnam. For employment specifically, foreigners are required to apply for a business visa, which is sponsored by the company where the foreign workers are employed. And the duration of the visa determines how long they can stay in Vietnam. Currently, there are several popular types of business visa, such as DN1, DN2, EV, and many more. Secondly, labor contract. Labor contract is the basic for the agreement of terms between the foreign worker and the sponsoring company, protected by Vietnamese law, which is extremely important for foreign employees. The contract is also the legal basic for the local authorities in Vietnam to consider and grant foreign workers work permits, temporary residence cards, taxes, insurance, and many more. Thirdly, work permit. It is the proof that the employee is working legally in Vietnam. To obtain this permit, foreign employees must meet standard conditions which will vary depending on the job position, but generally, the employees need to have a university degree or have multiple years of experience in the position they work in, must have a labor contract with the sponsoring company, and some other conditions. The term of the work permit usually lasts for 2 years, and the employee also needs to pay attention to renewing the work if they continue to work at that company. Temporary resident card. After acquiring a business visa and a work permit, foreign workers will be granted a temporary resident card or work visa, LD1, LD2. This temporary resident card will be granted according to the duration of the work permit. It is important for foreign workers to have a temporary resident card for a stable and a long-run employment. It is considered a priority, helping foreign workers enjoy more benefits and advantages in Vietnam. Foreign workers also need to pay attention to renewing their temporary resident card when it is expired to avoid any fines or being deported. Finally, driving license. Foreigners participating in traffic in Vietnam need to have a valid national driving license. If not, they need to change to an equivalent driving license for the convenience of traveling and commuting when working in Vietnam. Those are some necessary documents for foreign workers when entering Vietnamese market. In addition, depending on each specific case, there will be different specific requirements. It is a bit complicated, isn't it? And what if you need guidance or assistance to prepare these documents? Then come to Siglaw LLC. Siglaw LLC is a reputable law firm specialized in enterprise, investment, and work permit with a team of experienced and high-quality lawyers and legal experts. When working with us, you can expect the most optimal and comprehensive legal services in Vietnam. And if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Click on the bell for new video notification, and we'll see you soon on the next video on Siglaw Hub.